विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू रेडियो ट्युसन कक्षामा यहाँहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत छ। यस रेडियो ट्युसन कक्षा हामीले सिद्धार्थ मावि, भुटनदेवी मावि, आधुनिक राष्ट्रिय मावि, बालज्योति मावि, ज्ञानदा मावि र त्रिभुवन माविसँगको सहकार्यमा हेटौडा एफएमले उत्पादन गरेका हौं। आउनु सुरु गरौं आजको रेडियो ट्युसन कक्षा।
Hi, hello and namaste all of you. I would like to welcome another session of program, our educational program. To all of you, my dear students, today we are going to study. I'm going to facilitate you Unit 3. But before going to the text, let me ask one question. What we studied in previous class? Can you remember? Do you have any memory? Can you say what we studied? Good. Yes, we studied about email. Yeah, what is an email and its format? Yes, structure, formal, informal. Yeah, and while writing email, we have to focus on our layout, to CC, subject and salutation and its body part and closing. Yeah, I think you become clear about how to write email. Okay, let it be, and let's start our today's class, Unit 3, making request and responding to them. Making request and responding to them. Yeah, okay. Can you see here this picture? You can see in your page number 25. There two peoples are standing. Let's say they are talking. And can you guess? Do you have any guesses? Who are they? Good. One is doctor and another, yeah? Good, reporter. Okay. One is doctor and another is reporter. Reporter is asking question to the doctor and doctor is replying answer. Here Dr. Imran Ansari, a senior pediatrician, associate professor at Patton Academy of Health Sciences, Patton Hospital, Lalitpur. Dear student, the conversation is about the pandemic of avian influenza. We are also facing this time what kind of disease? Can you say? Yes, yes. Good. COVID-19. Coronavirus. Yeah? Coronavirus. But they are talking about bird flu. Have you heard this name? Have you heard this name? Bird flu? Okay, we will talk. Okay? And here reporter is interviewer and interviewee. Yeah, reporter is interviewer who takes interview, and interviewee means who gives interview. Yeah, who gives reply of the question, who gives answer. That he is here, doctor is here, interviewee. Okay. In your book there is one question, my dear. There are many fatal diseases taking precaution and safety measures maybe help us to keep ourselves safe. By following precaution, by adopting precaution, we can be safe from those fatal diseases. Can you tell me? Can you tell? Okay, tell me. What are they? Yes, very good. COVID-19, yeah? When we become safe, stay at home, do not eat out food, and wash our hand, yeah? Wear our masks and use sanitizer, then we become safe. We have to drink hot boiled water, yeah? And then we can be safe. Likewise, bird flu, swine flu, yeah? Okay, let me ask, what is fatal? It means fatal disease, deadly strain. Fatal means deadly, causing of death, yeah? Deadly. Okay, making request. Have you ever heard anyone requesting and responding to them? Have you ever heard? Dear student, have you ever heard anyone requesting or responding, requesting and responding to them? Of course. For making request, here are some structure. Could you please tell us? This structure you can get in reporter first exchange. Let me clear about exchange means in dialogue when A speaks, then A asks and B reply, yeah? Then this is one exchange. It is called one exchange. When reporter asks and doctor reply, then those two conversation become one exchange, yeah? Like, could you please tell us? Request, yeah? Making request. He is requesting. Could you please tell us? There you can get sentence, yeah? See on your book, look on your book. You can get there reporter first, yeah? Good. Can you tell what is there? Good. Could you please tell us what actually bird flu? Doctor? Yeah? Good. And would you mind telling us? Okay, find, where is it? Yeah, very good. In reporter second exchange, yeah? Would you mind telling us what is written there? Read. Good. Would you mind telling us how it affects human? Yeah? And I wonder if you could tell us where you can get it. See there? Can you get? Yes. Good. Read it. I wonder if you could tell us how it spreads so fast. Yeah? Do you get it? Very good. Now again, could you possibly tell us? Where is it? Search, read, go on reading and underline where you get this structure. Underline it, because these all are the making request. Would you possibly let us know? Where is it? Have you got? Good. In which exchange? 5. 5, yeah? What is written there? Tell me. Would you possibly tell us the common symptoms of bird flu? Yeah? Good. then here I have written, if you could tell us, yeah, what precaution we should take. What precaution should we should take? Yeah, okay. And here the reporter is asking question, begging answer, waiting for the answer. So he used here requestive form. Okay, and making respond. Now we are going to the doctor's conversation. Only doctor. Okay. Yes, certainly. Search there where the doctor speaks. Yes, certainly. Why not? I will give answer. Yeah, likewise. Yes, certainly. Good question. Your question is very nice. Thank you for the question. Yeah, likewise. Good question. Sure, why not? I give answer. Why? Sure. Let me make it clear. Oh, you have some confusion. Let me make it clear. I give answer. Yeah, why not? Yeah, likewise. Yes, of course. I can give its answer. Likewise. There is doctor. Search please and underline. Because your topic is asking you, making request and responding. Be confident on those very structure. Why? Because you have to use this very structure while making dialogue. Not at all, but these very things. Yeah, thank you for the question. Responding. Yeah, he is responding here. Doctor is responding and reporter is requesting. Is it clear? Okay. Now, my dear, one thing I want to say you that prevention is better than cure. It says that prevention is better than cure. Yeah. In this time, we have to be conscious and reminds this proverbs. Yeah. Do you know 4 important healthy habits you adopt personally? Nowadays, I am sure you are following. Yeah. I have written here universal standard precaution. How can we save ourselves personally? Yeah, universal standard precaution. Can you read it? Sanitizer. Do you know sanitizer? I have a small sample for you. This is sanitizer. Yeah, we use this sanitizer this way, and before going anywhere and after entering to the house, and we use soap, water and wash our hand for 20 seconds. It kills these kinds of things. Sanitizer, soap kills germs which lies in our hand. Yeah, use a sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Hand hygiene, and it makes healthy hand. Yeah, now my hand is free of germ. Yeah, germs. Okay, gloves. Do you know gloves? Yes, of course. This is also a kind of gloves. Yeah, use and throw gloves. And gloves. Yeah, this is gloves. Can you see? Have you seen? Yes, of course. Yeah. Use gloves. Use protective clothes. Okay. Put on gloves before going out, and personal protective equipment. We have to use personal protective equipment. This gloves is also personal protective equipments. Yeah. Now masks. Yeah. Can you see this picture? There is a boy. What is this? What is he doing? He is wearing these marks like this. Yeah. Now I am also wearing these marks, and I wear this. Why? To preserve myself, to save myself from the contact of disease. A covering made of fiber or gauze and fitting over the nose and mouth to protect against air pollution, airborne droplet contacts. Yeah, nose. I cover it up to the nose. Can you see? Yes. Use and throw marks, and nowadays, these very times, you can see these marks also. Yeah. Nowadays, I am sure you have seen these marks. Yeah. These kinds of marks. And yeah, you are wearing these kinds of marks. And yeah, these marks, black marks. Yeah, you are wearing black marks. Good. Thank you, my dear students. And dustbin. Here is dustbin also. Avoid close contact. We have to avoid close contact. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Yeah, yeah. Cough. Yeah, cough. And yeah. At that time, you have to close your. Good. Do not share hanky. You cannot share your hanky with your friends, your family. Yeah, this is totally your personal. And masks, towel. As of now, the CDC recommends us face masks only to the sick and to prevent infection from spreading. Always using masks maybe makes us unhealthy. Now dustbin. Do you know dustbin means? Yeah, dustbin. This is dustbin. Here is written dustbin. And a bin for holding rubbish until it can be collected, a garbage can. We have to keep garbage in it, dustbin, and when it fill, we have to manage it. Yeah, to make environment neat and clean, to be environment friendly, we have to use dustbin. Yeah, to stay safe from the disease, we have to use dustbin. Safe disposal and sharps. We have to use. We have to keep syringe, those gloves which we have already used. Yeah, and masks, disposable masks. Yeah, which we have used, and we have to keep in the dustbin. Okay, my dear friend. So these are the universal standard of precautions. I will ask, be careful, you can note it in your note copy. Copy it in your note copy. I am sure you all have strong will and passion to get knowledge nowadays. And you are following these very rules, precaution. You have following these kinds of precautions to be safe, healthy. Yeah. Here an interview with whom? With a doctor. As I have shown you, an interview with a doctor. There is reporter and doctor. Yeah, and this I have told you This is one exchange. Likewise, today we are going to read 2 and R, reporter, doctor. This is 3. Yeah. So these 3 exchanges we are going to study today. So please, one of the you student stand up and go play the role of reporter, and one of you play the role of doctor. Okay. I'm going to start first, and then you will start to role play. Here is an interview with Dr. Imran Ansari, a senior pediatrician, associated professor at Patton Academy of Health Sciences, Patton Hospital, Lalitpur. Now the interview, and read the interview and learn about the pandemic of avian influenza. Now go on. Okay, you are now a reporter and you are doctor. Okay, reporter. The term bird flu is heard quite frequently these days. Could you please tell us what exactly bird flu is, doctor? Yeah, he is requesting here. 2 of the students are going on reading, and other students, you have to focus on your book. Rest of the students. Dr. Imran, what bird flu actually is? Now Dr. Imran replies, bird flu is the commonly used term for avian influenza, which is a viral infection transmitted from bird to bird, bird to bird. Fatal disease, as I have told you, deadly, mortal, capable of causing death. Here bird flu also fatal disease. Yeah. Pediatrician, doctor for children. Here Dr. Imran Ansari is doctor of specialized person of children disease. Yeah. Pandemic. You have got pandemic disease that spread all over the whole country at the same time. The whole country at the same time. Whole country. And we are going to read H5N1. Yeah, H5N1. It makes you confused. So a type of avian influenza virus. It transmits easily bird to bird, but difficult to transmit from person to person. Difficult. Yes, of course, it transmits but birds to human being. Avian influenza, disease caused by infection. It is a kind of virus with avian bird. Itself clear, my dear student. Don't be confused. Yeah, with avian bird influenza flu. It can infect domestic poultry and other birds and animal species. Avian flu virus do not normally infect human. Pathogenic, medical term of virus or bacteria. Now migratory, regular migration. While reading, you have underlined those very words, and I try to make you clear about those very words. Yeah, you have underlined those very words up to the 3 exchanges up to the doctor, reporter, doctor, reporter, doctor, and reporter, doctor. 3 exchanges. Yeah, we have got these very words you have given, and thank you very much for exchanging your word meaning with each others. Now, Dr. Imran, what is bird flu? What bird flu is? The reporter asks, what actually bird flu is, doctor? Then in the reply of Dr. Imran replied that bird flu is a commonly used term for avian influenza, which is a bird viral infection transmitted from bird to bird. Particularly, a deadly strain of bird flu H5N1 continues to spread among poultry in different parts of Asia and Europe. Now again reporter asks, request, what exactly is H5N1? What exactly is H5N1? Would you mind telling us how it affects human? Yeah. The reply of the answer, Dr. Imran replies, not at all. Technically, H5N1 is a highly pathogenic avian influenza. Yeah, HPAI virus. It is as deadly to most birds as to humans and other mammals that catch the virus from birds, although the virus is not easily transmitted in the same ways as most human flu bugs. H5N1 has killed nearly 60%. Please note it. Nearly. Once again, H5N1 has killed nearly 60% of those infected since the first human case in the late 90s. Yeah, it is seen transmitted among people like butchers and poultry farms workers who have had unexpectedly close contact with the infected poultry. Besides, no effects medicine has so far been discovered. Yeah, not discovered medicine. Reporter, the spread of this flu seems to be so fast. Is it transferred by air? I wonder if you could tell us how it is spread so fast. Now Dr. Imran replies, yes, certainly. Actually, the flu virus is not transmitted through respiration. Yeah, respiration. Most notably, the natural carriers bird flu virus are migratory, regular migration. Water flows like the wild dogs, DUCKS dogs. The infection can later spread from wild flows of domestic swan. During 2011, the disease got widely spread in Asia. Nepal too could not remain away from its dark shadow. At that time, Nepal also infected, Nepalese people also infected, and its carriers are the birds that may fly hundreds of miles in a single day. So dear, now let me make you clear that what is bird flu actually is. Bird flu, it is commonly used term for avian influenza. Yeah, and it is bird to bird. It was firstly found in the late 90s. It killed near 60%. Yeah, it is caused. May I? One. It spreads so fast because it transferred by air. Yeah. What do you understand? What is the full form of HPAI? Who is the interviewer here? Who is the interviewee here? Okay, can you tell the answer? Tell me. Good. Okay, dear students, note it in your copy. Copy it in your note. Have you written these very words and meaning? Are you clear about these terms? Good. Good. Now let me give you some home assignment. These 4 questions are home assignment for you, my dear, and as I have told you what is bird flu, where the full form of what is, I write the full form of HPAI. Who is the interviewer in the text and who is interviewee in the text. Okay, do it yourself and show me. Strike the iron while it is hot. So this situation is helping you to read alone in the room, and if you have any confusion you can contact to your teacher and ask. So don't be confused and stay at home. If you have any confusion you have to contact to your teacher. Okay, and so you have much more time to study. Don't waste your time. Read more, be healthy, be safe. Thank you very much. Thank you.
विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, आजका लागि रेडियो ट्युसन कक्षाको समय यति नै। कोरोना भाइरसको संक्रमण बढ्दै गएसँगै ठप्प भएको पठन पाठन र विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूको पढ्ने लेख्ने बानीलाई यस रेडियो ट्युसन कक्षाले कायम राख्नेमा हामी विश्वस्त छौं। अहिलेका लागि भने कार्यक्रम निर्माण टोलीका सम्पूर्ण सहकर्मीहरू बिदा हुन्छौं। नमस्कार।